Good morning and welcome to Travelling Everard. Bit of a disaster last night. Our flight was, well, we got to the airport at Antalya and the flight was cancelled. So we've had to find alternative accommodation for a couple of days in Antalya. This is a little room tour. This is the room. Got the AC unit. I knocked the painting off the wall last night, sort of damaged it slightly. Just hope it's not an original. As you can see, there's not too much room, but better than sleeping at the airport. The pillows aren't the best, but done. This is the bathroom. It does, I think it's me. Is it my stomach? Yeah, so this is the shower. It does the job. But yeah, so we're going to be spending the day in Antalya, so I'll give it a little film. But yeah, absolute disaster. Hopefully we'll be able to claim it all back. But yeah, there was no one from EasyJet at the airport, but we managed to find a flight for Saturday at sort of 3 o'clock, I think it is. So. Quite a nice little bar actually. It feels like it should be actually on the beach. One gives me music tonight. So we're staying at the Mermet Arif Bay. Emily managed to find it on booking.com. You done well actually.
Bloody hot.
It's really hot. Yeah, feels it's about 10 in the morning, isn't it? It's bloody hot though. So we're in the old town of Antalya. There's sort of a lot of these paved streets with Ottoman style buildings, but it's actually really nice. I think there was a coffee shop down here, Emily, I saw, but did you find the barrier? So we came that way though. There's that, you took a picture of that funny head.
Oh.
That looks posh, isn't it? Place there and a place here. Or we can go down towards the beach. That one there doesn't look too bad. And we got to the hotel about 1 o'clock this morning and there was nowhere to eat.
No, stuffing crisps and milk and chocolate down on there.
So we're a little bit hungry because the breakfast wasn't a lot either. Had like some cheese, some really random meat which I didn't like.
Some sort of, well, I thought it was going to be meat, but it was bread.
Yeah, it was horrible, wasn't it? So,
Ooh, look.
yeah, massage. Might need that. Can we claim massages? For the stress caused.
Oh, these bracelets, didn't you?
You could get something like that from Millie. This little extra thing, couldn't you?
Yeah.
10 lira. Like, if I draw some money out, it's nothing. Another little dog. But,
I noticed all by the trees they've got waterfall.
have they? That's a posh Starbucks.
I didn't like the woman who went to go and pick her up.
Yeah.
That kicked the cat.
No.
She looks very similar to this woman
Yeah.
picking up from the airport. There's a certain.
Yeah, you can tell, can't you?
Yeah. That's nice. Sure.
Yeah, we'll have to have a little look. Well, 100 was €5, wasn't it?
Oh, that's like £3 for a
Yeah.
top.
That coffee cost me 50 for 2 coffees.
Yeah.
So like £2, I think. I think these shops you don't barter though, these are
No.
genuine shops that have got a cost. It's more the bazaars and stuff that you do. Or even places like this. Mm. I could do. Have one on my neck as well. Go back to work and say, yeah, I got bored when I was out here.
That is quite nice.
Yeah. Are they like fake glasses?
Sunglasses.
Oh, really good. Oh, baklava. We need to come back and get.
Love it.
Yeah, they are nice. Quite nice to work. More books.
I love it here.
Oh, I do.
I actually love it.
Hmm.
I'm surrounded by dogs.
They're great, aren't they?
There's good shops. Food looks good.
Yeah. Be able to get a
We've got scarves. We've had to get a kebab.
That's why I'm definitely getting a kebab tonight. Got a little cat.
Oh my god, look at this little arm.
We've got their little food bowls out. Kebabs
You'd
then,
love it here.
We're gonna be cooking later.
Kelly would love it here. Watermelon juice.
We'll have to come back and get something. I need to draw some money out. Okay.
Oh, look there. God, that looks good. Yeah.
Really good. Ice cream.
I get excited about that.
I'm excited.
You get excited.
I'm very, very excited by ice cream. Got a shoe shops.
Yeah. I should love getting you like
Yeah.
nice sandals, flip flops.
Cakes out here look unreal. Turkish delights. It's like nuggets. There's lots of dogs, isn't there? You can kind of knock your bag. Harry Potter. Prisoner of Azkaban. What's that over there then?
Search comfy.
Yeah. Get. I think that's a big park over there. What's that? Oh. Is that what it is?
very interesting, isn't it?
Very. John wouldn't like it here.
No, the cricket.
Yeah. You know what these are? Like,
That's what I thought I saw when I saw water.
he thought that was the waves. Modern art, I reckon, at some point.
I wonder what all this is about then.
But no, it's something to do with the Ottoman Empire, I think.
Yeah.
No.
Pigeons.
Their grass is their grass is a lot greener now. They must water it a lot.
I presume the day to great big cocktail.
Yes.
Something cold.
Yeah, I definitely need it. After the stress of
Is
yesterday.
that a swimming pool?
I saw steps going in.
What I thought. No, they're trees.
Oh, yeah.
What's wrong with us?
I don't know, I've gone
We've
mad.
seen things. I think I'm tired.
Is that a little stand there? What's that all about? Can you see?
I don't know.
I'm really confused.
I really like it here.
Yeah, I do.
The shops look good, but
Yeah. That's definitely the sea there, isn't it? I can see water.
Like
I can see water.
It's pretty. Oh, it ain't turned out too bad then, is it?
No. Could have been a lot
Getting
worse.
stranded. I just didn't understand last night why people at the airport weren't ringing EasyJet. They were just
No.
like flapping and
Just
crying.
flapping, crying and waiting for someone that's not going to turn up.
And just being like, let's just unite together.
Yeah, but what's that going to
We're
do?
stronger as one.
Yeah, this is so
And then we were
stupid.
all like, yeah, I'm just going to make a phone call to my mum.
Yeah.
I was like, fucking EasyJet,
Let's-
answer, you bastards.
It started off about 200
And
people
I
there.
felt so smug. That's why I don't want to get carried away with myself, but I felt really smug when the woman was like, yes, we can get you on Saturday, the 10th. And everyone.
Yeah.
I was like, okay, just keep it on,
I stupidly mentioned
keep
this.
it on the down low.
I said, I think there might be a flight available on Saturday. And they said, where? I'm not too sure. Emily's trying to sort it. They've got a little cafe in the park.
The only time I got a little bit stroppy was when she was at the accommodation. She was like,
Yeah.
yes, you just need to speak to someone on the EasyJet desk. I was like, yeah, there's no bastard there.
I'm not being funny, the airport wouldn't sort out our...
Well, what's this?
That's what I said, little cafe over there.
Would have got
But
them shishi pipes.
I have to see if they do anything, like drink-wise later. Yeah.
Really?
Oh wow, can you see the mountains?
Yeah. Animals.
I'll pay you 100 Turkish lira to drink that water.
No, thank you. Don't fancy this shit. Unbelievable. Right, let me get the camera.
Look at, wow, that's amazing.
Wow. That's worth it. This is unbelievable. My phone isn't going to do this justice.
No, nor with my camera. The backdrop's absolutely amazing. The mountains are huge.
So beautiful. This sculpture, I like this.
Yeah.
I hear music.
I know you get
When
down to
there's
the
music,
beach.
there's cocktails.
Yeah, you're normally right actually. I've got a feeling you're going to go down there and down to the beach. So look, see what's down here.
It's true.
See the Ferris wheel?
Unreal.
There's the woman that we were asking for directions from.
Oh,
That's
it's
down
unreal.
here. There's no... Oh, there is people in the... I think the beach is down there, I reckon, don't you? The water looks unreal. Oh, right, I've seen that. So it's basically marmalade then, is it?
Yeah.
So can you see any of them trees?
Did
What
you
names?
taste? Did you?
I filmed that.
Is that the oranges?
Oh, look. That's what I was thinking. 'Cause that palm there's got.
Incredible.
It's low. I've never seen that before.
而家都有影幅相又得嘅。嚟，喂專子，影幅出嚟。呢啲叫咩果咩樹喎？咩樹？
There's the castle then, is it? Nice bar up there.
Breakfast at the hotels. Those oranges they're talking about.
Yeah.
They've got onions. Oh no, they're pomegranate.
And they got oranges there though, which they probably press.
Yeah.
Castle doesn't look too open though. Did you want a drink or not?
Yeah.
Probably sit in the shade though.
Yeah.
That's quite a nice view.
Should we hot today?
Yeah, it's gonna be hot, I think.
Should we come drink hot?
Sure.
Und du hast eben halt